Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to replace forward edge side mirror easy guide. Start by lowering the window and removing the interior trim to access the mirror fasteners. Disconnect the electrical harness and remove the 3 mounting bolts. Swap the mirror assembly, reconnect the harness, and hand-tighten bolts before fully torquing. Test mirror adjustment and heated function, then reassemble trim and confirm there are no rattle noises. Start by collecting tools and setting a 10 to 30-minute expectation for this simple repair. Work on a flat surface and protect the paint with a soft cloth. Remove the door panel carefully using trim tools to avoid breaking clips. Label any screws or clips you remove so reassembly is smooth. Keep the battery disconnected until the final test to prevent accidental motor movement or short circuits. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more DIY guides. Quick recommendation: droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion when you work on your car or take breaks. I use it in the garage and it saves me spills and fuss. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the interior trim and locating the mirror electrical plug and fasteners. Unplug the harness, then remove the 3 mounting bolts while supporting the mirror to prevent drops. Fit the new mirror in place, feed the harness through, and hand start the bolts to align the assembly. Reconnect the electrical plug, test mirror movement and defrost functions, then torque bolts, replace trim, and confirm smooth operation without noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.